It's been a while since I made a food video, but if you're ever in the west side of Indy at Sarga International Grocery Store, you need to come check out this Korean store located inside the grocery store. We happened to come across it on accident when we made a trip there after our trip to Panda Fest. That was a lot of trips there. So check it out.
Wow.
I just took a bite. It's really crispy.
You guys, it was so tender and moist. It didn't need any more seasoning. I liked that it was not overly seasoned or salty. Now, I do have to say that the barbecue sauces that came with the dishes is not Korean sauces. They are just your regular barbecue sauces. The vinegar and the honey sweet barbecue that you would find at any other barbecue place here in America.
Very good, yeah.
That was like a vinegar hot sauce. Oh! That's like a sweet barbecue. It's good. It's so crunchy. It's so good.